Hello and welcome to another edition of Majid's Kitchen. This week on Majid's Kitchen, I would like to share with you two simple and delicious cocktail recipes. These are non-alcoholic, so they are mocktails. And I'll be making one with lychees mainly. And the second one will be using mango nectar or mango juice. So let's get started. So the first drink we're making is a lychee and ginger fizz. I'm making it a little bit different to what you may have seen before because I'll be using red perilla. This is a powder, okay? Of course you can make it with fresh ones if you can get it, but I'm using this powder. And sort of like a grenadine, I've made a syrup from there by steeping it like tea leaves in boiling water and adding some sugar, so you get this beautiful color. So I'll start off by adding some into our glass. Next we'll add in some ice. About 5 or 6 ice cubes. So I have some blueberries for this drink. You can use frozen the same way I'm using. And I have some lychees with the stuffed blueberries. So I'm adding the lychees to the glass and the blueberries, followed by the lychee juice. Okay, so I've used about 100 ml of lychee juice. We'll add some ginger ale. What a beautiful color. And there we have it. Let's get a closer look. The next drink we'll be making is a mango mojito. So you can use fresh cubed mangoes, puree them, but I have a nice thick mango juice right here, very convenient. First we'll begin with the lime and the mint leaves. So we're going to just place them. You can use a mortar and pestle or go ahead and do it straight in the tumbler, but I prefer to do it this way. Bruise them. Okay, so it's muddling. We'll take some of this and add it to a glass. Some of the lime juice, ice cubes, you can put lime or orange or whatever you fancy in there. And now we'll pour in some mango juice. Some Sprite. 2 easy recipes just for you. Make every mocktail a memory. Thanks for watching.